I just say this, the reason I don't like a bar on my rebounder is I normally keep one of my rebounders up in the treatment room and one in the kitchen, because two of us use the rebounders. And when it's in the treatment room and there's clients in, or I'm working online, this room, the one in here can't be used. So that's why it's great to have more than one. But if there's a bar on it, I can't lift it up on its side like this one. Now, this is lifted up for display purposes. Normally, I don't have it resting on its legs. I have it resting just against a sofa forward and the legs are sticking out at the back. But for display purposes, I have it resting back on its legs. So I can't rest this up because of the bar. So it means taking the bar off. So that's why I tend not to keep a bar on a rebounder. Just saying. I have 3 bars now in the house and they tend to stay in the cupboard. I don't use them. Maybe if there comes a day when I do need to use them, I will use them. Now, I don't have one for the Fitbounce Pro and I don't have one for the Maximus Pro, this one behind me. There's one for this one, there's one for the Kensone, and there's one for the steel sprung Maximus Pro. Maybe it'll fit onto the Maximus Pro, but I don't know if there's any places to fit. I don't know. I will see. Not getting into that. So just to say, that's why I'm not one for bars, because I like to put them up when clients come and I can't if there is a bar on it. Number 2, I'm going to say about this. This is as sturdy. I wouldn't be jumping on it. Once you're on it, this bar is not moving anywhere. A little bit of movement when you're off it, but that's purely because there's no weight on the rebounder. But this rebounder is sturdier, I would have to say. It's heavier than the Kensone, just as the Fitbounce Pro is and the Maximus Pro is. The Kensone, I lifted up on its side there a while ago to make the space for putting out these rebounders, and it was so light, it started to slip. It wasn't holding itself up. It's not that it was bending or anything, nothing like that. It was just too light. Nice to maneuver, but not, I don't trust something that's so light. It depends on the weight that's going on it as well. I mean, I'm okay. But if you're heavier, you want to be sure that you feel that the rebounder has got you. This rebounder is going nowhere. It has a safety catch on one of the full joins. It has the bar on it. It has all the straps on it. It has metal fasteners, metal hooks instead of plastic ones. The other two are made of very strong plastic, and I've never had a problem with either of them. So not sure why that change happened. Maybe it's just the industry standard now. Quite possible. It wraps around the frame and the hooks are well sewn into the mat. I'm wrecked. I'm going to start comparing soon.